Hi, I'm Gina, and I want to thank the brand Think Tank Scholar for sending over this for me to share with you guys. So if you're looking for a fun and easy learning activity for little ones, this 5-deck flashcard set is such a great option for preschool and kindergarten age. You get 180 jumbo cards, which I really like because they are big enough for small hands to hold and easy for kids to actually see without getting frustrated. This set covers so many really important learning skills like the alphabet, numbers, colors, shapes, first words, opposites, and rhyming. So if you feel like you're getting a lot of variety in one box. I also think it makes a nice gift for parents, grandparents, even for homeschooling families, because you can switch things up depending on your child and what your child is working on for the day. What I really like about flashcards like these is that there's so many ways to use them beyond just holding them up and quizzing your child, right? So you can spread them out on the floor and have your little one find a certain letter or look for a certain color. You can sort them into matching groups, practice counting, or even make it into a quick game these days. There are just so many options that you could do. These would be great for one-on-one learning, quiet time activities, road trips, even just keeping them in a learning corner at home, keeping a box of them in your bag for on the go. For ages 2 to 5, I think this is especially helpful because kids at this age learn best with repetition and short bursts of playful activities. These cards make that really easy. So overall, I would say this is a very fun educational set that helps build early learning skills in a hands-on way, and I love that it grows with your child as the more that they learn. Overall, I really like these cards, and I would say this is a really good find.